will be reviewing the new Rainy cosmetics, which you can see right there. We will be checking those out. We won't buy them, but we'll be showing our faces with the cosmetics on. So the first one we got. So we're gonna check out the first one. We're gonna check out the first one now. We got like Easter and Rainy cosmetics. So first we got this little thing. Actually, I'm just gonna select them all and then I'm just gonna show you guys. I'll show you guys now. Okay, so first, Nasty, put on this one. So we got these. I got the yellow ones, he's got the blue ones. And this is how they look like on your feet. How do you do like the and then yeah, we got these. And then we got the gold ones. These ones are really cool. Really cool. And then we got the hat. This hat. And then we're gonna do this. Okay, he didn't get it, but I'll just show you guys more. We have the Easter hat. This is probably cool, cause it's like kind of cool. And then the next one is this. We got the yellow. I'll give you a little close up. It's like a yellow ears and stuff. No. We got this one. Right here. And then the last cosmetic, I'm pretty sure, is the pink one. So we'll just be putting on some of the cosmetics and we'll just be like playing around with them. We'll do like 1v1. I think we already did a 1v1 like for a video, but we're just gonna do it with the cosmetics. So I'm just gonna put on your best like combo and we're just gonna 1v1. Put on your best combo. Yeah, I'll put on this, I guess. Oh, these are so like distracting. It's kind of weird. Okay, so we got our styles on. Oh yeah, forgot about those. Yeah, we can't. Or actually, no, we can. No, we can only select one. Okay, I'm just gonna select the boots. Oh no, it doesn't work, man. Okay, yeah. So we're just gonna. We looked at the cosmetics, and we're just gonna give you guys a little bonus clip now. We're gonna do the comp parkour for a bit. I don't know. It's just kind of a short video. No, let's not do that because you need to practice. Yeah, so we're just gonna be because I think this video is like 3 minutes long. If we don't like do an extra clip. So we're just gonna. Yeah, what? I know. No, they're not. They're like 20. They used to be 20 minutes. Now they're like 10. They're like 10. They're 10 minutes now. And also, there will, as I mentioned, I think in the last video, I don't know which order I'm uploading the videos, but the 1v1 video, I recorded that before this video. So, I don't know, it might be backwards or something. No, wait, I'm not. So, by the way, we're going to be doing a special announcement. I don't know if I can premiere it yet. I don't know if I can. But if I'm not be able to, if I can't, what? I know. So, yeah, there's going to be a really special announcement. I don't know if I could premiere it or not. I probably can't. Because, like, I don't have no subscribers. But my goal by the end of this year is to get to 20 subscribers. So if you guys could get me, yeah, because I barely get any subscribers. Okay, at least 50 subscribers. So if you guys can just subscribe, you don't have to, but it really helps me out in the long run. Yeah, so yeah, if you guys could subscribe, that really helps me out. And me and Nasty, which he's basically in like every single video that I plan now, or that I plan and do. Yeah, we're gonna be doing something. So in that little special announcement that I might like premiere or like record or something, we're gonna be doing that. We will be announcing a lot of stuff. I don't want to spoil it because you guys will have to watch for yourself. But if you don't care, then I don't care that you don't care. So yeah. But if you don't watch the premiere, but you watch the after part, you'll probably know. Actually, no, you won't know. You'll be pretty new to the thing. You'll be pretty new to the the thing. And no, that's gonna be in the special announcement today or tomorrow. Yeah, so yeah, anyways guys, once I make it up to the comp, which will probably be like right now, I will end the video. No, if you did. No way, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna speed this up. So, yeah, I'm just gonna speed this up because you do not want this to be this long. So I'm just gonna speed it up until I make it. Normal speed. I made it. Okay, so anyways, guys, that'll be it for today's video, and remember, guys, that special announcement that will be either today or tomorrow. We're working really hard on it, and we have a lot planned. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you at the premiere.